Yeah, hi everyone. Good evening. Am I audible to all of you? I hope you are doing well, guys. And your learning is also going well. Okay, fine. So now I think we can start our live session. So today I think you can see the topic. Yeah, hi Adil. Hi. Good evening. Hi. I hope you are doing well. Can you cover more open source image generation model? Thank you for the tutorial. Yeah, definitely we can. But first of all, try to complete all of the video, whatever video actually we have published, okay, on our playlist. Because it will give you the entire understanding, like how we can use the generative AI with, let's say, different kinds of problem statement. Okay, because this is the foundation. Once you learn the foundation, then you can also work with different kinds of advanced model as well. Great. So I hope guys your learning is going well. So whatever content actually we are uploading, is it okay, guys? Let me know. Any feedback you want to put? Any feedback, guys? Whatever playlist actually we are uploading, whatever course we are uploading, if you want to give any feedback, you can let me know. And you can also let me know what you want exactly from my side, what kinds of content you are looking for. Definitely will try to bring that content for you as well, because this is your channel. So whatever things you are, let's say, wondering, definitely we can start that topic as well. Fine. But see, what I was thinking to start from scratch everything. Let's say first of all, if you see here, I started from the Python itself, then started with generative AI. So that's how basic topic actually first of all we'll try to cover. I have a request, please make videos on WSL or Linux. Yeah, so whenever it is required, I'll try to create. As of now, we are not going to use WSL or Linux, but going forward, let's say whenever we'll be doing the end-to-end projects, whenever let's say we'll be using MLOps tools and technology, that time we'll be also, teaching this part as well. Website chatbot is not working. What is the issue with the website chatbot? Because it is working for me. Even I already showed you each and every step in that video. You can check it out. Use WSL while making the projects. Why you have to use WSL while making the project? I can also implement from my Anaconda prompt. I can also implement from my git bash as well. Okay, so if you want to execute, let's say, any kinds of Linux related command, you can use git bash, Adil. Okay, no need to use WSL. All kinds of Linux command you can execute from the git bash. Hi Bappy, I'm a senior machine learning engineer. Now I want to move to non-coding role. Now I am a senior machine learning engineer. Now I want to move to non-coding role. So is there any role we have? Could you please guide me? Non-coding role. See, if you want to go for actually non-coding role, that means you have to apply for the higher position actually in the industry. Let's say you can apply for the manager role. You can apply for, let's say, architect role. Okay, that's how you can apply, and you can switch your career to the non-coding role actually. Okay, so that time actually you have to know about the system design, system architecture. Okay, so these are the thing actually you have to know, because as a team lead you have to guide your developer, like how they will be implementing that project. Great content. Just curious, we will work more on RAG and fine-tuning techniques in this tutorial. Yes, I think RAG and fine-tuning also I have uploaded there. I think this topic is also available. Even MLOps is also available. If you sorry, not MLOps, LLM ops is also available. Okay, so I just tried to cover some of the LLM ops platform like Vertex AI, AWS Bedrock. Okay, so if you check it out, everything is available there. I tried to cover each and everything. If anything is left, because see, this is a completely new research field. every day research is coming. I think recently you saw Llama 3.2 has came in the market. So they have published actually different kinds of model. They have published like lightweight model. They have published actually I mean huge model. That's how everyday research are coming in the market right now. So it's not possible for us whenever we are recording the course, we record everything, because we don't know which research will come right after some days. So that's why whatever fundamental you need, we just try to cover everything. Now if anything is coming in the market as a new research, we'll also try to cover that particular topic in our YouTube channel. Let's say I'm planning to create one video on the Llama 3.2, like how we can use Llama 3.2. Okay, so no need to worry. If anything is coming in the market, definitely I'll try to create a video on top of it. But if you want to start your career, if you want to start your, let's say, learning, if you want to, let's say, master your foundation, so definitely you should watch that course, okay, whatever course we have updated in our dashboard, because it will cover each and everything you need to know about generative AI. Thank you, Bappy. Keep up the good work. Already started watching your GenAI playlist. Okay, great, Amarnath. How should one prepare for production level experience in GenAI? Production level experience. See, production level experience means you should good with actually practical implementation. That means if there is any problem statement, at least you can design your, let's say, software there. Okay, whatever, let's say, skills you know, whatever tools and technology you know, you have to use those are the tools and technology, and you have to work on the project. That is the thing. Is it worth doing AWS certification? Definitely, Adil. If you have the AWS certification, it would be a plus point for you, because getting AWS certification, it's not an easy, right? Okay, so so today actually we'll be talking about actually career related discussion, career guidance, because most of the people will look for these kinds of career related, let's say, guidance, like how to choose the right path. Okay, let's say if I'm learning something, so how I can choose the right path so that I can switch my career there, right? So this kinds of question, I think most of the people will be having, those who are coming as a new in this field. But if you are already working in this field, I think you already know about your, let's say, career, in which domain you want to switch your career, what is your, let's say, dream jobs. I think you already decided this thing. But whenever actually any beginner comes, right, so they will have this question, actually choosing the right career path, like where they need to switch their career. So I'll give you some advice actually on top of it. Okay, see, if you are choosing the right path, exactly right career path, like where you want to switch your career, let's say currently you are a student and you are preparing for the data science, or let's say whatever, anything. Now how you can choose your career, like in which career you have to switch your career, whether it's a GenAI, whether it's a machine learning, whether it's a software development, whether it's the, let's say, web development, how you'll be deciding. See, if I give you my personal opinion, you have to decide this thing, okay, by yourself, because don't look for actually other, okay, don't look for actually other. Let's say if someone is taking data science, you don't also need to take the data science. If you are not liking data science, no need to take, because you should have the interest in that field first of all. If you have the interest, then learning path would be easy for you, yes or no. But if you don't have the interest, then what will happen? You will feel like your college days. Let's say in college actually you are not satisfied with your subject, but still you had to learn, right? Still you had to attend the exam. Okay, and it's not efficient actually. So that's why if you have interest in any kinds of field, let's say you are interested in web development, start with web development. If you're interested in, let's say, data science, you can start with data science. If you're interested with GenAI, you can start with GenAI. So first of all, try to decide which field, which, let's say, skill is suitable for you, and what is your interest exactly. Okay, based on that you have to start your career. Got it? Okay, thanks. Just one question. I want to use like a GPU providers for higher GPU requirements for LLM. Can please suggest some good paid GPUs provider platform? You can see the data crunch and you can see the paper space. Okay, Trith, I think you are asking this question. You can check data crunch, either you can use paper space. So these two provider you can check, they will provide actually good GPUs. So there you can purchase a machine and you can train your model. it's very difficult to get an entry level jobs. How would one with less or no experience land on jobs? Any advice? See, if you're actually very I mean at the position of like very entry level jobs, then what you can do, you can at least do some internship, because if you complete some of the internship now, so it will be counting as in your experience. So in the internship, try to do some good projects, actually not a dummy projects. Try to take good problem statement always. Okay, so that's how, at least do 1 to 2 internship, then try to apply for the jobs. So definitely will get actually so many job role. They are actually looking for these kinds of candidate. So I will always suggest, try to prepare some good project. Okay, good project. So project will help you a lot if you are a completely fresher. Let's say try to complete 1 to 2 project from machine learning, 1 to 2 project from deep learning. Okay, that's how NLP, GNAI. So try to prepare project from all the domain. And first of all, see the job description. Okay, see the job description, what kinds of let's say candidate they are looking for. Let's say if they're looking for machine learning developer, so you have to work with the machine learning there. So no need to mention any deep learning related work. Okay, so try to mention machine learning related work as much as you can in your resume, because I have seen many people, what they will do, they will only create one resume only and they will submit everywhere. Let's say some companies are looking for, let's say, deep learning developer. So what they will do, they will put the let's say time series project, they will put the machine learning project, even they will also put the, let's say, GNAI based project. Okay, so it's not like that. If someone is looking for deep learning developer, definitely you have to put the skill related deep learning, you have to put the project related deep learning. So why you will be giving the unnecessary information, right? So that is the thing, actually you have to always take care. Sir, I have different website, I cannot see my data. Sir, I have, so okay, so I have give different website, I cannot see my data. With which website actually you are giving? So make sure this website has the permission, actually, because what happens whenever you are giving that website link, I think I showed you one thing, I think remember, sitemap.xml. So after website, if you can give /sitemap.xml, and after giving sitemap.xml, if it is giving you the content, that means that HTML content, that means this website you can access the data. Okay, and if it is not giving any kinds of, let's say, response, any kinds of data, that time you can feel like, okay, it is blocking your, let's say, request. Okay, so that time it won't be working. Try to use any other website that time. So for getting job, GNAI domain, do I require to know ML, DL, NLP? If yes, then how much knowledge should I see? See, if you want to, let's say, I mean, enter in the GNAI position, so you don't need ML, DL. At least ML, DL, it is not required, but you need NLP skill. But just try to think, let's say if I want to learn NLP, so do I need to learn deep learning, guys? What do you think? If I want to, let's say, learn NLP, let's say I want to learn about RNN, LSTM, GRU, attention mechanism, encoder, decoder, transformer. So do I really need to learn the deep learning? What do you feel? Tell me. Vinit, you can tell me. Because at the end, inside NLP, what you are using? Let me know. Inside NLP, what you are using? You are using neural network, yes or no? And how neural network is working, how you have to create the architecture, what you will learn? You will learn inside deep learning, yes or no? So deep learning is required, right? So if you understand the deep learning, then learning NLP would be easy for you. And now just try to think about, whenever, let's say, I want to learn deep learning, so do you really think I need to also learn the machine learning? Yeah, basics of DL is definitely required. DL is required everywhere, guys. Artificial neural network is required everywhere. Whether you are going for NLP, whether you are going for GenAI, okay, computer vision, everywhere it is required, because this is the foundation. Okay, and if you want to master the deep learning, I will suggest also you should learn the machine learning as well, because machine learning is the foundation. Because from the machine learning itself, you will get the idea, okay, why you have to use the deep learning exactly, because there would be some of the problem statement which can be solved with the help of machine learning. Then why will be applying the deep learning there? Tell me. Let's say if there is a bird, okay, I can, let's say, kill this bird with a stone. So why I will be using rocket launcher for this? Tell me. because at the end rocket launcher is costly, na. So you can use this stone to kill that bird, right? So let's say there is a problem statement which can be solved with the help of machine learning, with the help of statistical based algorithm. Then why you have to apply the deep learning on top of it? Because deep learning is a costly at the end. So it's a neural network. Your architecture is so complex here, right? Again, if you productionize this model, so again cost will be increasing. I think you're getting my point, right? So if you want to be a good developer, exactly, okay, so I will suggest try to at least know each and everything. Yeah, these fields are interconnected with each other, right? So that's why I think yesterday you joined my session, so there I was giving the proper path exactly you need to follow. So what I told guys, after completing the programming language, start with database, then machine learning, okay, then deep learning, then NLP, then computer vision, then GenAI. So this kinds of flow you have to follow, right? Because it is interconnected with each other. But if you have less time, let's say you have actually huge career gap, you don't have actually that much of time to explore everything, then what you can do, you can skip these at the field at least, okay, and you can start with the GenAI, you can start with the computer vision directly. But again, what I feel like, you will get some of the difficulty level in for sure, okay, in the industry, if you don't have the foundation understanding. I hope it is clear now. So I can say there, okay, so this answer I have already answered. Sir, your GenAI courses includes all the topics? Yeah, definitely all the topics I tried to cover, because inside GenAI what we have exactly, we have to learn, let's say, what is GenAI exactly, what is large language model, how we can use the large language model, and if I want to use the large language model, I have to know some platform like Hugging Face, OpenAI, right? So these are the platform we have to master. So from this platform actually will be getting the model, and on top of that we'll be implementing our application. And to implement this application, what I need some generative AI framework like LangChain, Llama Index, right? Then we also need to know about vector database, because with the help of vector database we'll be creating the knowledge base. Let's say you want to create any RAG application, so you need a knowledge base, and how you'll be creating the knowledge base, you need the vector database topic, right? Then let's say you want to do the fine-tuning operation on top of the model, what you need to know, how to fine-tune this model on top of my custom data. So yes, these are the topics are involved now only. Apart from that, there is nothing inside generative AI. Now if you open my playlist, you will see that everything I have included there. Even I have also tried to cover the LLM ops. Like people are asking related LLM ops, like what is exactly this LLM ops and how we can use it. And there are different kinds of LLM ops platforms are available. We have also tried to cover that LLM ops playlist as well, right? Like Vertex AI, Bedrock, right? So I think most of the question I've already answered. Now, guys, apart from that, if you have any query, you can let me know. And I also told you about the career guidance, like how you can actually choose your career based on your interest. I always suggest, right? So don't look for actually other people, what they are doing, which career actually they are choosing. If you have interested in data science, definitely you can come here. But if you don't have the interest, guys, no need to come here, okay? So that should be my suggestion always. And one suggestion, whenever, let's say, you are preparing your resume, always try to read the job description first of all. Okay, what kinds of, let's say, responsibility they are looking for. Based on that, try to upgrade your resume. Okay, try to create different version of your resume, not only one resume. You can create 3 to 4 resume with different skill, different projects, and try to read the JD. With respect to that, just try to update and submit. Okay, that's how we have to do. Is our GenAI series completed, or we have still more videos in queues? I already told you now, so it's not actually I mean field, it would be end quickly, right? So every day there would be different research, there would be different, let's say, new technology. So we'll be keep on updating that playlist, okay? But to learn about generative AI, what you need exactly, I have covered each and everything. Okay, great, got it. But if anything is coming in future, which is, let's say, new, and which is required for your GenAI skill, definitely I will add this topic in our playlist as well. Okay, it's not like that we have completed the playlist, no video would be coming there. Not like that. We'll be still updating the video. Got it? But this should be my request, guys, to all of you. First of all, try to complete 1 to I think 68 video we have uploaded, right? 68 video around. Try to complete 68 video. Then you can let me know whether you are familiar with QnA or not. Just try to complete it. My promise, guys, you will be champion inside generative AI. Okay. So how to stay relevant in this fast changing AI? Word like how much time should I allocate for exploring the new concept depends upon you. Let's say your availability actually different from my availability, right? Vinith, let's say if you are, let's say, more busy, then what you can do, at least you can utilize your free time, whatever, let's say 1 hour, 2 hour, whatever, let's say hour you are getting, try to utilize that, let's say, time to explore new content. But if you're free completely, then I will suggest try to invest more time. Let's say you can at least put 2 to 3 hours per day to explore new topic, to upgrade yourself with latest technology. Okay. And see, try to follow some website actually. So there are some website you can follow. So the first website I can suggest, Papers with Code. So inside Papers with Code, you will see that all kinds of research are coming. Okay. Whatever research are coming in the market, all the papers as well as the GitHub implementation would be there. So if you see the website now, so you will be learning everything. Let's say whatever new technology in the field of computer vision, Gen AI, machine learning, NLP, all kinds of research would be updated there. Got it? Okay, so I think we're done. So if you have any other query, you can let me know. I think otherwise, I think we can end the session. And please hit the like, guys. If you are liking this kinds of session, hit the like. Hi Bappy, I can't able to get problem solving mind, logic building, how to get it. See, again, you are asking the common question. Logic building actually, see, comes automatically. So I can't teach you the logic building. As a mentor, I can guide you. Let's say if you are learning Python from my tutorial, so what you will get some information about Python, right? Information about Python. Let's say we are teaching function. So you are learning about function, like how function works exactly, and how functions are solving one problem statement inside Python. Let's say whenever we are doing the scripting coding, what is the issue with the scripting coding, and whenever I'm using the functional concept, how function is helping me in that case. Because without function also you can implement the code, no issue with that. But with the help of function, what we can do, we can modularize our code, we can reuse that code again and again, right, as a function. Now I'm teaching you, let's say, this particular concept in this class. And what is the class duration? Let's say 1 hour, maximum 1 hour I'm teaching about function. And now what you have to do as a learner, after completing that topic, try to practice, try to pick up different kinds of problem statement and try to write the code. Whether you are referring any, let's say, solution, it's completely fine, but try to write the code from your end. And once you are writing, definitely your logic building skill will be automatically, let's say, build up. Okay, it comes actually from practice. The more you will be practicing, the more good actually you'll be on the logic building. Got it? And for this you can use some website, actually HackerRank, LeetCode. You can use these are the website to solve the different kinds of problem statement. But I will suggest don't, rely on only one lecture. If you have completed one lecture, apart from that, try to explore over the internet. If you get some more, let's say, relevant content, okay, with that. At least put actually 1 to 2 month, maximum 3 months, you will see that automatically your logic building skill would be built up. Okay. Initially, actually, I was facing the same issue whenever I was learner also. So I had the same question like you. Okay. Yes. But I started actually solving different kinds of problem statement. I started, let's say, referring people's code. Let's say if there is an implementation, they're using functional concept, or let's say they're using class concept. So what I used to do, I used to copy their code in my code editor. Then I used to doing the debug operation. And if you do the debug operation, you will automatically get to know how this code is getting executed. What is the flow of the execution? Okay, that's how actually your logic building would be happening. And try to implement the project as much as you can. Okay. because unless and until you are not implementing project, things would be more difficult. Only learning concept won't be helping you. If you can create just a brief of agents video like organ agents, QnA agents, LangChain agents, and their comparison would be helpful. LangChain agents, I think I've created one video. Great, you can check it out. Agents, if you see my LangChain series, there I already created one video. What is agents and tool exactly? Okay. And these are the thing. Let's see. Okay. All right. So fine, guys. Thanks for joining the session. Now I think we can end it. Thank you, guys. Bye, everyone. Take care. Good night. Bye.